Hey guys, maglalakad tayo dito sa Love Lake. Look at this place. It's very nice. Cold area.
Yesterday you telling me not coming. Now
You look at the birds. They are happy in the trees. Look. Look at this bird. They are very happy. See?
in the car.
Oh, see? Yay! You can hear that birds is very happy. Ah, that is duck. Look.
Number coming, plumbing.
Ah,
Plumbing bus coming.
yeah, this one.
Go.
Yeah, how we go there?
Hey, just like this.
Ah,
Like this.
no, maybe coming here.
Not coming here.
Not coming. We go there.
Not coming here. Come go.
Let us go and see the flamingo. Flamingo.
But this far.
No, it's not for that one. We will check.
But you cannot take them with you.
When? The flamingo? Why?
They're too much there.
No, when we go
Come
home.
go by car.
Ah?
Come by car.
No. It's good walking, na. Look at this duck eating.
Tak.
Yes. See? Afraid?
No.
Look at this duck eating. And they give also food, oh. The leftover chicken. Look at this duck.
Come this side, maybe.
Yeah.
You have one place or coming back.
Flamingo. No, this is nice. It's enough. I can catch air here. Early in the morning. Look at this flamingo. Oh yes, flamingo. Look at this flamingo in the deck. See, very nice. Flamingo. This is very nice place. The sound of the birds. Oh! Coming! Coming! Where is it? Ah! No, it's okay. Love, this is nice to put the tan here.
Huh?
Look at this, how they making grill also. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. This is flamingo. Ayan. This is flamingo. Look at this. Hi, flamingo. Ayan, si flamingo. Ayan, si flamingo. Lalaki ng mga tae nila, oh. Ayan ang mga tae nila. Flamingo. Ayan. That's why no fish here because they're eating. The flamingo. But the white is there. It's not coming here. Only the black flamingo. What I thought is very, very big.
This one there. Going time, you're making million there.
Look at this. Eating the fish. See? This flamingo. Flamingo. Ah, look at this. The birds, they're coming. Moving.
Flamingo.
Ah.
Too much coming.
Those flamingo?
Go down. This one coming.
This
one.
These are flamingo? We will check. Ah, but they're not coming here.
You go by car.
Now the flamingo there. Stop on that side.
They're too much.
Yeah.
Going time. It's coming now, sleeping. Wake up.
Here you can see. Ah, what name, love, is back winch stilt. This one. What name this one is? I have deer here. Gazelle. Arabian Mountain Gazelle. This one. Arabian Mountain Gazelle. Specific name Gazelle. Status endangered. Oh, red-wattled lumping. Huh? Backwitch stilt. Hemontopus.
Signboard.
Which one? Ah, see? Black swan. This is the black swan. See? I'm wrong. This is black swan. This is the black swan. Look. That is the black swan. Ah, this one, oh. Lizard also. Have. Where? Oh my gosh.
Where?
It's somewhere here. Scientific name, Opopo epops. This concern, this is. Yan. Mayroong black swan pala. Yun pala yung black swan. We did not yet see the real This is the flamingo, I think. Yeah?
Fish.
Yeah, wait. Oh! See this fish. Look. Thomas, give food. Look at this fish. Oh, see? Coming, Thomas. Oh. Wow. Look at this fish. No. Look. They are trying to eat something here. See these people? They keep their something here for grilling. But this is not allowed. Look at this fish. Do they eat this fish is eating these birds. Okay na, love. Bye-bye.